Hi everyone! Today we are going to make our own version of Meiji's Kinoko no Yama Mushroom Mountain. This chocolate snack has been wrapped in Japan for many years without change. The instructions are written on the back of the package. Let's open it up. Inside, there are lots of biscuits and chocolate pens that you melt before using. There are 3 colors. How exciting! And look at this adorable mold inside. There are clover shapes, star-like shapes, and even ones with letters on them. Some look like flowers too. I'm so happy there's such a variety. Alright, let's get started. We will melt the chocolate pens by placing them in hot water of about 50 degrees Celsius. Be careful not to burn yourself. As always, it's tricky to get the perfect melted consistency. First, I will try making this mushroom with 4 tops joined together. Let's start with the brown chocolate pen. Cut the tip and squeeze it into the mold. Oh, nothing's coming out. I'll cut a bit more. There we go. I think this should be about right, though it feels a bit stiff. No worries, let's move on to the pink one. Squeeze it on top of the brown layer. This one feels a little stiff too. Let's tap the mold to help the chocolate settle. Oh, nothing's changing. Let's add a little more pink. How's that? Now, insert the biscuit stick. Looks good! Let's keep going! Next is white chocolate. That went in nicely. This mold has letters on it. Now, insert the biscuit stick. Looks good! Next, let's make a 3-color mushroom. First, squeeze in the dark chocolate, then the white. Still a bit stiff. Hope that's okay. And finally, the pink. I'm adding a generous amount. 3 layers of colors are sure to be cute and tasty. I'll smooth it a little with the tip of the pen. Looks good? Now, insert the biscuit stick. Nice! This is fun! Next, let's try a polka-dot mushroom. How should I make this? Probably by squeezing little dots along the wall of the mold. It's hard to make them perfectly round, but I'll muscle through it. Like this. Then cover it with brown chocolate. Add the biscuit. And it looks good! Now for a 2-tone mushroom with alternating colors. This one turned out pretty well, don't you think? I'm getting the hang of it. It's fun to switch up the designs like this. Now, insert the biscuit stick. Let's keep going! Let's also make some small mushrooms. There's not much chocolate left, but I'll squeeze out what's left. Perfect amount! Looks good! It's amazing! Alright, let's chill them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Done! Looks like they've set nicely. Let's take them out onto a plate. This is my favorite moment. Here's what they look like from the back. Some parts are a little patchy, but that's part of the charm. Let's pop them out. Wow! They came out easily. Nice and firm. So happy. Let's keep going. Love that sound. Now we've got a full mountain of original mushrooms. So many different kinds. It's so fun! Look at this polka-dot version. The dots aren't perfect, but they are still cute. And here's the three-color one. It has character. I like it. This alternating two-tone one turned out pretty well, I think. Adjusting the chocolate consistency was tricky, so the patterns aren't super smooth. But I think that's part of the charm of handmade treats. I'm satisfied. And on this white mushroom, it actually says Kinoko no Yama in Japanese. I didn't have enough chocolate to color in the letters, but if you try making it yourself, you should definitely give it a go. Alright, let's taste them. いただきます。Delicious! The combination of chocolate and biscuit is amazing. On this channel, I also introduce many other Japanese DIY candy kits. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I'd be so happy. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!